This dictation from Operation Sindoor. Get ready. Start. In the past days, we all have witnessed both the strength and patience of our country during Operation Sindoor. I pay tribute to their bravery, courage, and valor. I dedicate this valor to every mother, every sister, and every daughter of the country. Friends, a cruelty displayed by terrorists in Pahalgam on April 22 had shocked the entire country and the world. The merciless killing of innocent citizens in front of their family and their children on the basis of their religion was a very cruel face of terror and cruelty. This was also an attempt to break the harmony and unity of the country. Para. Operation Sindoor is our commitment to justice. Late night of 6 May and in the early morning of 7th May, the whole world saw that this place turned into reality. Indian forces attacked terror camps in Pakistan and their training centers with precision. The terrorists had never imagined that India could take such a big decision, but when the country is united and national interest is paramount, then strong decisions are taken and results are achieved. When India's missiles and drones attacked terrorist camps in Pakistan, not only the buildings of terrorist organizations but their courage also was sagged badly. They are universities of global terrorism. More than 100 terrorists have been killed in these attacks by India. Many terrorist leaders were roaming freely in Pakistan for the last 2 and a half to 3 decades who used to conspire against India. India killed them in one stroke. Pakistan was deeply disappointed and frustrated by this action of India. Instead of supporting India's strike against terrorism, Pakistan started attacking India itself. Pakistan targeted our schools, colleges, gurudwaras, temples, and houses of civilians. Pakistan targeted our military base, but in this act, Pakistan itself got exposed. India's strong air defense system destroyed them in the sky itself. We have damaged those airbases of the Pakistani Air Force, of which Pakistan was very proud. India caused heavy damage to Pakistan in the first 3 days itself, which it had never imagined. That is why, after India's aggressive action, Pakistan started looking for ways to escape. Para. Pakistan was pleading to the world, and after suffering heavy losses, Pakistan's army contacted our DGMO on the afternoon of 10th May. By then, we had destroyed the infrastructure of terrorism on a large scale. The terrorists were eliminated. We had destroyed the terror camps established in the heart of Pakistan. Therefore, when Pakistan appealed and said that it will not indulge in any kind of terror activities, then India considered it, and I am repeating again that we have just suspended our action against Pakistan's terror and military camps. Today, the world is witnessing that in 21st century warfare the time has come for made in India equipments. Our greatest strength is our unity against all forms of terrorism. This is certainly not the era of war, but this is also not the era of terrorism. Zero tolerance against terrorism is the guaranteed for a better world. Stop.